In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from a picture in Google Docs. Whether you're digitizing notes, capturing details from an infographic, or simply pulling text from an image for easy editing, this method is a quick and efficient way to get the job done. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard where all your stored documents and files are located. Next, you'll need to upload the image containing the text you want to extract. Look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll notice a button called Plus New. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear, giving you several options. Select File Upload from this menu. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to choose the image file you want to upload from your computer. Browse to the location of your image, select it, and then hit the Open button to start the upload process. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Now with your image uploaded, navigate to find it in your Google Drive. Once located, you need to right-click on the image file. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over the option that says Open With, and from the submenu that appears, select Google Docs. This initiates the process of opening your image in a Google Docs file. At this point, you'll see a new Google Docs document opening up with the image you selected. It's worth noting that converting the image to text can take a bit of time, especially if your image is quite large or has a lot of text and details in it. So, just be a little patient while it works its magic. Once the processing is complete, your new document will display the original image right at the top. Directly below this image, you'll find the text that has been extracted from it. Google does a pretty solid job at capturing text with accuracy, but there may be minor errors depending on the quality of your image. So it's always good practice to review the text that's been extracted. You'll notice that this text is completely editable, allowing you to easily copy it, make changes, or format it according to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted text from an image using Google Docs, and you can now use this text however you wish. Whether it's for editing, sharing, or organizing important information, this technique is a fantastic addition to your digital toolkit. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials.